हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। पार्ट फर्स्ट पढ़ेंगे हम लोग थर्मोडायनेमिक्स का 12th फिजिक्स। सो लेट्स सी द फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन। सो सी द फर्स्ट पॉइंट। So in thermodynamics we deals with the thermal energy, right? So the process where work is converted into heat and vice versa. So what we will study here, work is converted into heat and heat is converted into work. So this is the vice versa principle. So when we drive a vehicle, its engine get warm after some time. Similarly, when we exercise, we also feel warm in our body, right? So this is the physics involved in both the cases, right? So where it is involved? In Indians
physics
and human being also. Because by running the vehicle, engine gets warm, right? So engine gets warm. And when human beings also
radiate heat.
feel or warm or feel warm when it do works. So now see the next point. Thermodynamics is mostly the study of conversion of work into heat and other around us, right? So thermodynamics deals with the what? It deals with the work, right? So thermodynamics deals with work and how work is converted into heat. Work is converted into heat. Now see the next point. When hot body is in contact with cold one, what will you observe? When a hot body, suppose this is a hot body having temperature 100 degrees Celsius, hot body. When it get contact with a cold one, suppose it is having 20 degrees Celsius, cold one. So what will happen?
Heat transfer
from hotter to the cold one. So sometime according to modern physics, heat is transferred from here to here, right? From first body to the second one.
Yes.
So that is called transfer of heat.
Transfer of heat.
This is called transfer of
Heat.
transfer of heat. Now see the next point. Thomson, a British scientist, that determines the heat is produced when brass cannon were bored, or heat thus produced was very large enough to boil the water, right? A very important conversion was called amount of heat produced. So it is noticed that more heat was produced when we drill bored for a longer time. So it depends on the sharpness of the drill also. So this is the point only given. So main point is thermodynamics is the branch of physics that deals with the concept of heat and temperature and interrelation between energy and heat. So what does thermodynamics do? Thermodynamics
deals
with what? Deals with heat and work, right? Deals with heat and work.
Yes.
And interrelation between them,
Acha.
right? Now see the thermal equilibrium. So next topic is thermal equilibrium. So when two bodies got the same temperature, that is called thermal equilibrium, right?
Yes. No more for the.
So suppose this is a hot body, same example we can take. So this is 100 degrees Celsius hot body. So now it is connected with the cold one, cold body. Temperature suppose starting is 0 degrees Celsius. So what will happen? Heat will transfer from first body to the second one, and it will get transferred till the equilibrium is reached. So equilibrium means temperature is become equal. So temperature of first is equal to second one.
50-50.
That is called thermal equilibrium, right? Next law is zeroth law.
Zeroth law of thermodynamics.
Suppose a body P is equilibrium with the Q, right? And Q is equilibrium with the suppose R, and R is equilibrium with this one. So we can say that these three bodies is in equilibrium. So this is the zeroth law, right? Or you can also relate like this. Suppose P is equilibrium with the Q. I will write here R. So this is the first case. suppose next case we are getting P and R is in equilibrium, right? And we have not connected Q. So from this we can conclude that both P, Q and R are interrelated with each other. They are equilibrium to each other. This is called zeroth law of thermodynamics. So write it down.
That's it. That's it.
Such a boring.
आगे बढ़े.
Am I right, sir? Such a boring thing.
नहीं आगे ठीक है. Starting from there.
कैसा वाय टॉपिक था?
ये पढ़ाया तुमको.
It's been ages. After the unit.
Now see the next topic, heat, internal energy and work. Next topic is heat, internal energy
And work.
and
Work.
so see the first internal energy. So internal energy is defined as the energy associated with random or disordered motion of the molecules of the system, right? Suppose this is a system, right? So internal energy is defined as, so it is defined as energy associated with random disordered motion of molecules of the system. So this is the first concept.
YouTube पे देखो.
So it depends on the internal structure of the system, internal energy. Now see the next
7
point.
minutes.
For an ideal monatomic gas such as, so what is monatomic gas?
Only one atom.
Good. So for an ideal monatomic gas, when atom contain only one atoms or gas contain only one atom, like group 718, helium, neon, argon, krypton, radon, radon. So this is belongs to group 18, right? So these are the gases which is having only one atom in it. So this is called monatomic gas. So internal energy is just translational kinetic energy. So it contains only translational kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So now see the four polyatomic gas such as carbon dioxide. So next topic is polyatomic
Polyatomic gas.
gas. So example is CO2. So now we will talk about CO2. So here we consider rotational motion also. Rotational motion and vibrational motion. Vibrational motion. So this is the two types of motion connected with the translational motion also. So there are three types of motion considered with the polyatomic gas. Right? We have studied in kinetic theory of gas also, no?
Yes.
So translational motion, rotational motion and vibrational motion.
Yes.
Translational motion means linear motion. Rotational motion means it rotates in the circular path. And vibrational motion means point is fixed, it moves to and fro, up and down. Right? When we are moving in a pool, bridge, suppose hanging bridge is this. So when we cross this bridge jump like this, no? Up and down. So that is called vibrational motion. So this is your vibrational motion. Right? When we are crossing from point A to the B, that is vibrational motion. No, we don't have to jump it. Jump from there. So now see the next case. In case of liquid and solid, we consider the potential energy of the molecules due to intermolecular force of attraction. So this is related to the gas only, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
what for the liquid and gas? Solid. So now see for liquid and solid. So in this case, we consider only intermolecular attraction, force of attraction. So this
Body
consider
and
only
gas.
intermolecular force of attraction. Forces of attraction. This is the force related with only solid and liquid. So internal energy is denoted by only symbol U. So U is nothing but it is the internal energy of the any system.
Yes, yes.
So write it down, then we will study about system and process. We will see about the PV diagram. Pressure versus volume diagram. Now see how it behaves. So we know the work formula, right? So
Yes,
it is the integration initial volume to the final volume into dW, right? So it is defined as pressure into dV. Pressure into a small
P
change
delta
in
V
volume,
is the
V1 to V2.
Yes.
So this integral represents the work done in changing volume of the gas, area under the curve. So if you want to find the area,
Find area
suppose we are
under the
drawing the diagram.
to find total work.
Positive work when varying pressure. Suppose I am taking here P1 and here P2
Yes.
and pressure here is P2 and it is P1 here.
Yes, yes.
So join this point P1 up to P1.
Yes.
This is your P2 point.
Yes.
Right. So when we are going from 1 to 2, right? So work is done from 1 to 2. So if you want to find the area, so we have to find this
Integrate.
shaded part, right? For integration. So V1 to V2. So it is expanding, right? So your arrow will be like this. And this will show from the path 1 to 2 we are moving. 1 to 2. So this will be the positive work with varying positive. Positive work with varying pressure. Varying pressure. Now look at the second graph when we are going from 2 to 1. So now see the second paragraph or second graph. So here we have taken 0 origin and here we have marked V2 and this is V1. So we are going from P1 to P2. So join this line, this will be V2 and P2. And join this point, so you will get this one is as a V1 comma P1. So now go from 1 to 2. Take it is as a 1 and this as a 2. So we are going from 1 to 2. So this will be the area under the curve. This will give the total work done. Total
Work done.
work. So this is the negative work varying from pressure. So it will be negative work, right? Because we are going from 1 to 2 with varying pressure.
Okay, Karthik.
Now see the next graph. So suppose this is your V1, this is your V2, right? So pressure is constant now. Okay? Pressure is constant. P1 is equal to only P. So it is equal to only P. So when we are going from V1 to P and V2 to P. So work is done from this point to this point. So arrow will be like this. And this will give the work done. So this shaded part will be work done. So this will be the graph for work. Work is nothing but it is area under the curve. So it will be P into V2 minus V1. And its work will be how much? Work is equal to integration V1 to V2 P dV less than 0. Because we are getting negative value now, so its value will be less than 0. And for this area will be integration of V1 to V2 P dV greater than 0 because we are getting positive value now. So make three diagrams.
Okay.
Make 3 diagrams.
These three.
Okay,
Then you will study thermodynamic process.
Okay.
नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पेज नंबर 86. ध्यान से देखो. Now we'll see work done during a thermodynamic process. So next topic is work done during thermodynamic process. Thermodynamic
Plus
process. So see, there is a diagram given.
16704.
So here it is V1, it is VF or V2. This is final pressure, this is your initial pressure. Now see here. Hello, don't talk now. This graph is very important. When we are going from A to D, what is constant? Can anyone tell?
Yes.
What is constant?
Volume.
Volume. So from going to A to D, what is constant?
Volume.
Volume. Volume constant. With
Volume
volume
pressure,
constant,
volume
which
pressure.
process it is? Isochoric. So process will be isochoric. So in isochoric, so when volume is constant, work is done or not?
No volume.
No work is done. So work will be equal to zero. This is the first condition. So see here, JEE and NEET question from this only. When going from A to D, what is work done? It is zero. And now we are going from D to B. D to B.
Volume changes.
What is constant?
Pressure constant.
When we are moving from B to
Isobaric process.
B, what is constant?
Pressure.
Pressure is constant. Pressure is
Constant.
constant.
Isobaric process.
So which process it is?
Isobaric.
Isobaric.
Very.
So work done will be equal to minus P
Minus
external
external delta
minus
still zero no pressure.
No.
PX.
Pressure is there, no? So work will be not
No
zero.
delta.
Now we are going from B to no. Going from C to B only. So work will be what?
Work is
What is C to B?
good.
Nikhil, what is C to B?
C to B.
Same as A to B.
Same as AD.
What is constant?
Constant
Volume.
PF
volume.
is constant, right? Volume is
Constant.
constant. Work is
Zero.
zero. When volume is constant, work is
Zero.
work equal to zero. What is process called?
Isobaric.
Isochoric. So next condition, when we are going from C A to C, so what is constant?
Pressure.
A to C.
Isobaric
Pressure is
work done is equal to minus P
constant. So work done will be minus P external delta V. So this is the first cycle we have covered.
Yes.
Now see, when we are going from A to B like this,
Yes.
so what will be the work done? So work done will be this, na?
Yes.
Area under the curve, right?
Area under curve.
So this part we have to remove, right?
Yes.
For finding this shaded region, this part.
Or apply Pythagoras theorem.
Right.
Or find area of triangle.
So now see the next graph.
Pythagoras.
So now see.
straight line. You in straight.
Yeah. No, that one is curved, no?
Yes.
Now see the next case.
Yes. Approximation. Find area of triangle.
Suppose we are going from A to B, right? From A to B, this is your path 1.
Area of curve angle पे लगा.
This is your P1, this is your PF. So what will be the area? This shaded part will be the area under the curve. This will be the work done, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here write here pressure and volume. Both changes, right?
Yes, sir.
Both changes when we are going from A to B. Now see the next graph.
Prathamesh.
Now when we are going from A to C, right here, PI, this is your PF, and this is your V1, this is your V2 or VF. When we are going from A to C, what changes? A to C, what is this?
A to C, pressure is constant.
Pressure is constant. Pressure is constant, right? And when we are moving from C to, suppose it is B, so what will happen? A to C2B, what is constant?
volume.
Volume is constant. Volume is constant. Write it down. Make the diagram.
हाँ सर बोलो.
चलो आज के लिए नहीं, कल मिलेंगे. प्रोसेस अलग अलग प्रोसेस का वर्क, ठीक है. चलो.